How to find my Facebook profile link. To do that, first of all, make sure that you have your Facebook installed in your phone. To do that, you can simply go on the Google Play Store of your phone and install Facebook. After you do that, you can normally open the Facebook, and after this, you will go through an interface like this. Here you can see your profile, and when you tap on your profile, again you will see an interface like this. And after this, what you can do is you can click on the three horizontal dots that is given just below add to your story. When you click on it and scroll down and down, you can see this is your profile link. When you just click on it, the link to your profile is already copied. So this is how you do it. The next way how you can see your profile link is also to share your profile and copy link. And if you want to see your profile link again, then you can just paste it. So this is your profile link. If you want to send it to anybody, then you can just paste and send it. This is how you do it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like our video, then please do subscribe our channel.